Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Audi RS5. In the fiercely contested small sports sedan category, the 2023 Audi RS5 emerges as a standout performer, fusing dynamic performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology to redefine driving excellence in its class. As the latest iteration of Audi's acclaimed RS lineup, this compact sedan exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromising on refinement. Powering the 2023 Audi RS5 is a robust twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine, generating an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS5 delivers breathtaking acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the RS5 sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds, offering performance that thrills at every turn. However, the RS5 isn't solely about straight-line speed, it's engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Audi's engineers meticulously fine-tuned the RS5's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide precise and responsive handling, enabling drivers to tackle corners and curves with confidence. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the RS5 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi RS5 exudes an air of sophistication and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, characterized by bold lines, an aggressive front grille, and LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The RS5's sporty appearance is further enhanced by 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and RS-specific styling cues, which add to its dynamic presence. Inside the cabin, the RS5 offers a luxurious and technology-forward environment designed to elevate the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Audi's MMI infotainment system, virtual cockpit, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Audi RS5 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi RS5 sets a new benchmark for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the RS5 offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether cruising along the highway or attacking twisty backroads, the RS5 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.